It is a membership that I have. It's also part of my certificate program. You get access to the app studio. Not only that, but I wanted to build an app for myself. And this is just going to kind of get into the ideas that we all have for how we want our business to look, but the technology hasn't been there in an accessible or financially accessible way, or just didn't exist. Because I know you all are creatives, and I know that the ideas and your goals for your business are probably way different than what your business currently looks like right now. Because when you started this, you conformed to what was available, and then you grew and expanded with the connections and the tools as they expanded, or you found other solutions to do the thing that you wanted and then kind of hooked it up and hoped that everything syncs and works, right? None of us really have a workflow that we love. I talked to I so many. I like so many different companies in this industry. I'm not even gonna put a number on it. Nobody has a workflow that they love. I haven't talked to one that's like, "This is perfect. I don't even need AI. I love what I do. Everything works perfect every single time. I'm so efficient." Said no one ever, okay? This is why you create the solutions for yourself and you cut out the technology when you're able to. Easier said than done. I get it, especially if you are not considering yourself a techie. But this is giving you the power to do that. And even if it feels scary and daunting right now, give it 6 months. Like, I can honestly tell you where we are 3 years from when I first started doing this, where we are 2 years from when I started building the first iteration of my app. And I'm so happy that I waited because so much has changed and now has finally leveled out where I feel good about it. Um, but this is now giving you the power to do these things. And if you can't do them now, which I would say probably 25% of you that are listening to this right now are like, I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go try it. I'm going to go to Gemini and try and build some stuff. I'm going to go to Claude Code. I'm going to build some stuff, whatever, wherever you want to do it. Just go try it. Okay. And the best way to do it, if you're in AI App Studio for Gemini, is it's a prompt, like, or a picture of your dashboard that you envision that you made in Canva. And you're like, here's what I'm thinking, you can drop all those things in there. Or if you're using Claude, you literally can like go to Claude Code and you're like, here's an app idea that I have. You can preface it and create a mock-up in just regular chat. I mean, regular chat with Claude, regular chat with Gemini, like anywhere. You can say, I have this idea for an app. Let's talk about it. Then I want you to build out an HTML code for me so that I can at least view it and see how it all works. And that's kind of working as your prototype until you really start to get everything hooked up. In that regard, I'm talking about like the larger apps, like those that are a little bit more ambitious. If you're like, I need a pricing calculator that I can just have as a go-to every time I come into Claude, not only is it trained on skills with my brand voice, so it knows how I sound, it also has examples of different things that I've done before, has my pricing structure, it has, how I format all of this and my brand information. I'm going to turn that into an artifact. All you need to do for artifacts, which are again those mini little one one thing apps, is you need to just go and have a conversation, build it, tell it to make the little mock-up, and in the top right corner it says like download or copy or whatever, or publish. And then you can publish that to your team or keep it for yourself and then send it as an artifact so it's on the left side of your menu in Claude. And then you just have it there. That's just for you to like go use constantly. So we're we're working I think in this place right now where a lot of people in our industry are coming to use AI a lot more. And so hopefully this will help you to be a little bit more efficient, even just getting started with these small things like artifacts, but then hopefully help you to understand that like what's in the pipeline and what is already available, but maybe you're not quite there yet with this journey. You're still dabbling and seeing how you can even use these tools in a way that's helpful for you.